name's Caitlin. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and the author of a blog called grassfedgirl.com. I've been healing my Hashimotos for over 10 years with an ancestral diet and most recently the carnivore diet for the past almost 5 years. So stay tuned for my channel to heal your body from autoimmune disease with all my carnivore tips and tricks. Today's video is all about chuck roast. Yay! So we're going to be making chuck roast nuggets. Now, a lot of people make chuck roast and it takes forever, but I've been seeing chuck roast nuggets all over the internet and I want to make them and see if they taste any good. So we're going to be using the air fryer. So this is chuck roast nuggets in the air fryer. So this is about a 3-pound chuck roast and I'm going to cut it down the center. It's a little bit icy in the middle, but we can still cut it and that'll help it thaw faster. So this is about 3 pounds, and maybe I'll cut it twice because it's kind of thick. Then cut it into little chunks like this. So see how this has, then I would make it like that. So cut it like this. And you're gonna need your air fryer for this. See all that fat? So that's gonna make it nice and crispy. Okay, so now, see how it's all kind of cut up? But these are like 1/2-inch chunks, 1-inch chunks, maybe some of them. But I tried to get some of the fat with the lean, so that would be more tasty when it cooks up. And then I'm just gonna add my favorite salt. This is the Redmond salt. You can use my code GrassFedGirl to save. And I'm just gonna put salt all over it. And when it's fully thawed, I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. And you can mix it up a little bit like this and just kind of get that salt all over it. You could use a bowl if you want to, but all right, so it's pretty thawed out, but I'm just gonna wait a second and let it. You don't want it to be frozen because then it will be super tough. I got this on sale at Kroger for about 10 bucks. This is a 3-pound chuck roast. This was on manager special. Always go to the Kroger in the morning and I find the best deals. So go about 9 o'clock in the morning and you will find the best deals for markdowns on meat. And then you can, if it's about to go bad, you can just throw it in your freezer. I always save a lot of money like this. We got it all salted and we also got it thawed out. So now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. This is my air fryer tray. You can see it's very well worn, but it is clean. That's hard for me to do. So I'm just going to move about half of it over here because I'm just going to do it in 2 batches just in case I mess up the first one. All right, so don't let them touch. Just give it a little space. See, this one's a little big, but we'll just see. All right, so you're going to put it about 5 minutes in the air fryer on 400. Okay. So here's hoping. This is actually my first time to cook this, so we'll see if it works. Going in my air fryer. This is the kind of fryer that I have. It's a Cuisinarts. I'll put the link down below. It is the best air fryer. So anyway, I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on 10 minutes and it's on high. It's on high bake, which is also a convection. It's been 10 minutes and we have our little chunks. Okay, you can see I'm kind of turning them over. So I'm just gonna do about 10, maybe 7 or 8 minutes on the other side. Chuck roast is a very tough piece of meat. Usually you have to do it in the Instant Pot pressure cooker or in the oven, in a broth. It's very, very tough. So a lot of people cook it for many hours on low or in the crock pot, something like that. So that's how you usually have to do it. So we are testing out this quick method and it's also a cheaper cut. Often you can find it on sale, especially around holidays. It will be marked down. You can get it at Sam's or Costco pretty often, and it can be sometimes $5 a pound. So it is a really good way to cut your costs down, but still get a very satisfying and hearty piece of meat. Okay, just got it out of the air fryer, and you can see they're pretty much done. It's about 15 minutes on each, on the total, 15 minutes total. All right, so now we're going to taste it and see. So let's see what we think. Looks delicious. This piece has a little bit of both fat and lean. That's really good. I'm not kidding. It's really good. Okay, I don't even want to film anymore. I just want to eat this. So if that tells you anything, really, really cheap way to make something really good and quick. So definitely try this. Again, I cooked about 15 minutes, about 7 or 8 minutes on each side. And it was on 400 or 450. It doesn't really matter. Just put it on high. And that's what mine is, on high, the highest setting on mine. So definitely make this and let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you like chuck roast, I have a great recipe in my ebook. It is a carnivore pot roast and it has a carnivore gravy that is super simple to make. So definitely get my ebook. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching today. Please share, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Let me know if you make these carnivore chuck roast nuggets. You will not regret it in the air fryer. Yum, yum.